Speak, Lord, your servants are listening. Speak, Lord. In the quiet of the morning, when the world is still asleep, there is something in the silence that is calling out to me. Not in thunder, not in fire, but in whispers full of peace. You are closer than my questions. You are nearer than my need. And I lay down every answer, all my plans and all my pride, just to hear your gentle voice, Lord, deep within my life. When heaven speaks, I will listen. When you call, I will come. Every word you breathe upon me carries hope that overcomes. When heaven speaks, I am still now. Every fear begins to cease, for there is power in your whisper, bringing storms to perfect peace. There are moments I have wandered far from what you want for me, but your voice keeps drawing closer, like a river to the sea. Even when I feel uncertain, even when I cannot see, you are speaking in the stillness. Child, just trust and follow me. And I lay down every answer, all my plans and all my pride, just to hear your gentle voice, Lord, deep within my life. When heaven speaks, I will listen. When you call, I will come. Every word you breathe upon me carries hope that overcomes. When heaven speaks, I am still now. Every fear begins to cease, for there is power in your whisper, bringing storms to perfect peace. Speak, Lord, we are listening. Break the noise, break the fear. Let your truth become our healing. Let your voice be crystal clear.